Very few people have the chance to work at a job that they absolutely love. I consider myself lucky, but the reason why people work is so they can come home to a home that's perfect for them and call it their favorite place. Welcome to what could be your favorite place, 103 Templewood. There's a lot to love inside this home that's already been updated with style and flair. Huge open foyer that also leads into a mudroom area, offering access to both the laundry and also one of the cutest of cute two-piece bathrooms. But inside here, this is a beautiful open space with a dinette area walking out to a side raised deck with this beautiful barn board detail. Now all the chefs will find this to be their favorite place with a stainless steel appliance set and also a beautiful work island as well. Now I know this area would have been my dad's favorite place when I was growing up, sitting back here with whatever in hand, watching some TV, because that man could not cook worth a lick. Come the summertime, this wide and offset backyard will surely be the kids' favorite place. Main floor laundry? Check. This upstairs will be a favorite place for many members of the family, with the 2 children's bedrooms and the main bath. But not to mention the awesome master suite with vaulted ceilings, his and hers closet, hers being a walk-in, and also a 4-piece ensuite bath. Out of all the places in the basement, this is nobody's favorite place, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta. You almost need to test out everything just to see what is your favorite place.
Dude, really? All right.
All kidding aside, the unique finishings in this home make it a lovely place. To book your own appointment, reach out to yours truly, Daryl Watty, Chestnut Park.